Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show you the September challenge kits. I have 3, and I'm going to explain in the first week challenge video what it means working with the challenge kit and the freebies, and about the entries and about all the Facebook groups, because if I have to do that in this video too, I will talk a long time. So I'm just going to show you the pages, and I'm going to explain a little bit why I created these kits. It is all in botanical theme, and there is a kit called Books and Botanicals, and that is, I believe I put it out last year, August too, if I'm correct. I'm not sure anymore, but it's in my Etsy. So this is sort of a spin-off of the Books and Botanicals, but this is in pink pastels or pastels. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. This one is also, a take on that Books and Botanicals, and it's Books, Box and Botanicals. So if you don't like the box, this is not your kit. There are not a lot in, to be honest, just a few. And I also have a kit in my shop that is called Botanical Ledgers. And this is Botanical Ledgers Part 2. With the Botanical Ledgers kit and with the Books and Botanicals kit, we did challenges in the Facebook group too. I have freebies that go with every week. And I'm thinking about putting out new freebies for this challenge in September. But also I will post the previous weekly freebies from the Books and Botanicals kit and also from the Botanical Ledger. So there will be an explosion of freebies in the Facebook group. I'm going to start showing you the pages. I'm going to start with the least amount of pages, and that is Botanical Ledgers Part 2. It has 20 pages. This is the promo sheet, of course. And we have this collage sheet. This one, I believe this is supposed to be this way, a floral backing page, but you actually write on that. On this one you can write too. A ledger paper, another ledger paper over here. This is one of my favorites. I really like the stain over here and the butterfly popping out. Then we have sort of a collage page over here. Another collage page over here. A book page over here. Well, not a book, it's a book cover actually. I think it's the outside cover laying flat, and then this is actually on the outside. But I really like the texture and the colors and the sort of linen pieces over here. And this is the final journal paper. Then I have ephemera, new pockets, sort of envelope pockets with tags to go in. Then we have tag tickets, because these can be tags, these can be pockets. The pockets can be glued onto the larger tags, and you can put in the smaller ones. I thought that would be fun. These can be worked with as backing for this one, or you can make your own and stamp on it and add little pieces of ephemera from the kits or things you have in your stash. This is sort of the backing for the other one. So this can be the inside, this can be the back side from the tag, or it can be another project and just have stamps or maybe stenciling or even embossing on these. Then we have a little, not so little, but sort of labels to embellish the tags, the pockets. We have tags over here. You can layer these together. It's really nice. I think this one is upside down. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Oh no, of course not. This is the front of the, how do you call this? Index card. This too. And if you cut it and glue it together, this is the back side, because this is upside down and this is upside down too. So if you fold it, this is on the right side and this is on the right side. Or you can cut all apart and back them with your own paper. That's an option too. Then I put in some frames that you can turn into specimen slides. Little things over here. Well, cards, journal cards, little ephemera pieces. And I have side pockets. You can stack these, so you can glue this one onto this one and this one onto that one, or the other way around. Or just put them in a journal page, or one in each corner and put something on the left side and on the right corner in your journal or project. So this is the Botanical Ledger Part 2. Then we have Books and Botanicals Pink. I really don't know how to pronounce this. In Holland we say pastel. So we say, I'm just saying pastels. I don't know. If I'm saying it wrong, correct me. Book pages with, well, like the title already said, a lot of pinks. Also one of my favorite kits. Every time I'm printing a page, I'm thinking I'm going to work with this kit because I really like this paper. And then I see another kit and I'm thinking I'm going to work with this kit because I really like this paper. But yeah, we will see what I come up with. And hopefully I will finish something because, yeah, I didn't finish my project from last month. And it's an ongoing theme. I start something and don't finish. But yeah, I'm just going through with showing you the pages. Also a very sweet paper. This is also a favorite paper of mine. I really like the background. And this, yeah. Then a paper with scripts and torn edges. You can actually write on these. So this can be a backing paper too. Another backing page. Then I have this one. Of course, a sort of collage paper. I really like this one too. And another collage paper. And I really like this one too. Then I have tags. I really like these. Larger tags. Pockets. Ephemera pieces like journal cards, or you can turn them into tuck spots, of course. Little bits and bobs. You can make this into a circled tuck spot. And a few other bits and bobs over here. And some journal cards, tags, and labels. And the last page is, it's not the large page, Nathalie. It's the, I have one extra. A sort of frame. You can cut this out and put this on something else, or use this on the front of your cover, whatever you want. It's actually a nice cover, to be honest. This can be a page embellishment or a pocket, or you can turn it into a journal card. And then I also have a envelope, and I figured it would be like this. So if you fold it, you slide it in your journal like so. So this is the pink. Ooh, what am I doing? Only this one is upside down. The pinks, Books and Botanicals. So the pastel colors, the pink one. And then the final kit is the Books, Bugs and Botanicals. And this one has 27 pages because I couldn't stop. I have journal pages and ephemera pages, of course. This is one of the journal papers. Another one of the journal papers. And I really like this page too. And I really like this page too. And you see, the bugs are not crawling all over the paper. It's just a tiny bug. It is not huge. And in some, there are not even bugs on it. Just butterflies and green stuff. And you can also combine the kits. They go very well together. And I have to say, there are weeks apart from designing these kits. Because one of the kits I had already done in January, the other one in April or something, or May, and the third one I started last month. So, and I didn't I didn't know I had them. Of course, I knew I had them somehow. If I see them, I'm thinking, oh yeah, I have them. But I didn't watch the images. So I started creating. And at the end, I thought, what if I use the same images in all the kits? But I didn't. So I was very lucky. But they go so very well together. And I didn't intend to do that. But they can can be used together. This one has more red tones. A collage sheet, of course. Also a favorite paper of mine. This one is also a favorite paper of mine. Because this is also a ledger paper. So this could be worked very well with the Botanical ledger, the original one and the second one. Then I have a grid, like a frame page. I really like this. It can be a journal page, but you can also use it as a background to start making a mixed media paper. This one without the grid. A collage paper again. I was really fast showing you this one. Sorry. A collage paper. Another ledger. I really like this. The tiny things. And the pattern is like a blue. It's sort of this one, but like a watermark. Then I have a heavenly colored. I don't say, no, it's for heavy. Bright. Well, not so bright, but very busy. That's what I wanted to say. A busy paper, but I really like this. I also put it in with the green color because I couldn't choose between blue and green. So I thought, well, put in everything. Then I have this paper. I really like this one too with those and the lace and the blue pattern on the background and the dragonfly. Then I have a book paper. It's a book cover thing, also with a pattern and green and with linen texture. These are also my favorites, little journal cards with little bugs and butterflies. Then I have tags, and I have loads of tags in this one. You can really make a tag book from this one. Large, you can stack these. Then I have coffee dyed tags, more tags, pockets, index cards, tickets. And this, I added this in previous kits before, not the botanical ones, but other kits. This is a little booklet. It comes with 2 papers. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but this is supposed to be the front side, and this is supposed to be the inside. And the brown is like the spine. So you cut this out, you fold it in like so. So this is going to be on the front side, and this is going to be on the inside. This is one of the front side or back side. These can be merged together, and then you have 2 pockets. But you can also only use this piece, put something in, and back this with another piece. You can turn this into a tag, whatever you want, but it's supposed to be a little booklet. Then I have pockets with long journal cards. Then I have more tags, and I have a envelope with lace and script, butterflies, some book plates, and little bits and bobs. So what am I doing? These are all the kits. And I told the design team members, well, get your inks ready, your scissors and paper and time. But then once one of the design team members said, well, I also need glue. Because we all ran out of glue. Well, I ran out of glue. I had to order a new one. It's not in yet, but I did order. So yay, it's on its way. But these are the 3 kits that we are going to be working with in September. I don't expect you to buy all 3. Of course you may. They will be on sale. I will make a listing section that is called September Kits. If you are like a die-hard botanical theme junk journaler or journal maker and you want all 3, I'm going to list the package, the botanical package, as one listing. So don't go purchase this one and also this one separate, and this one separate, because then you have the kits double and you pay more. But I'm going to make these 3 in a bundle, and it's going to be the September challenge bundle. That's what I'm going to call it. So you recognize it's going to be this one. And I'm going to give you a 40% discount on the package. The other kits will be on sale too, with a 25% discount. So if you really want all 3, the package is cheaper. Yeah, this is it. And we are going to be working with a hashtag, but I will show you when I show you the freebies. But it's the hashtag Books and Botanicals 24, because we also already have a hashtag in the Facebook group floating around that is called Books and Botanicals. And we have one of she's a design team member too, but she's also an admin in the Facebook group. She is checking every post every day, during every month, during every challenge, and writes down your name and your entries if it's 1 or 2. So if you use different tags, it's going to, the same tag that we did a few months ago or a year ago is going to pop up too, and then she's confused, of course. So that's why it's called hashtag Books and Botanicals 24. Well, she's not confused, but it's difficult for her to see which was from last time and which entry is from now. That's why you're also not allowed to put your hashtags in the Facebook groups. I'm not against hashtags, but they all pop up when you do the search on a hashtag. And it used to be a very good search. You can search on a hashtag and everything showed. But I don't know what Facebook did. Something changed. And half of the posts do not show up. So that's why somebody is going through the posts every single day. And I'm so lucky it's not me. I'm so very happy Bea is wanting to do that, because, she says, well, I see everything everybody's making and I like that. So, yeah. So I'm very happy. Thank you, Bea, for doing that. Yeah, this is the video for today. Like I said, I separated the show and tell video from the challenge video. I'm going to record a challenge video, and it's going to be uploaded on my channel as soon as possible, but I will let you know in the Facebook group too, or keep an eye on my channel. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like it a lot, and maybe you want to be a subscriber if you're not already. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to. I really appreciate that. I'm a little bit behind on responding on all your comments, but I do respond always. So you know. It's always fun to read your comments. That's the fun part of having a YouTube channel. So yeah, I think I have everything said that I wanted to say. I'm done. This is it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.